Assalamualaikum semua. So sekarang kita baru saja selesai proses harvesting dan proses extraction Abang Luqman kita. So kita tanya sendiri, apa experience dan perasaan Abang Luqman after our first session today?
After our first session today, I think actually daripada awal lagi I dah rasa comfortable lah. Sebab bila I masuk je the room untuk buat kita punya proses tadi, ada nampak one good movie kat depan.
Siapa yang recommend movie tu?
Both doctors dah recommend very good film, which is bila tengok tu rasa terbuai. Bila dia just and then dorang ada indicator juga, which is bila kita nak abuse, kita ada rasa sikit. So kita dah acknowledge and then rasa tu sekejap sangat. Dia after that memang tak ada rasa anything. Sangat comfortable. Even semua nurse yang tolong, diorang always check. So basically saya rasa sangat-sangat comfortable. Rasa macam dah 3 hours 3 hours dia pass macam tu je. So time tu dia rasa tak berlalu macam laju. Tu nak cakap tu. Dan I memang film geek, memang suka tengok film. So they understand me, so that's why bila I masuk je diorang dah pasang cerita tu, so automatically dah tak ada rasa takut, nervous tu dah hilang sikit.
So experience kita punya first session is memang hebat lah kan, you would say kan. For our first session, our service for first session berapa rating?
10. There's no problem. For me, I'm happy. I can't wait to do the rest of the process lah.
Inshallah we'll come back for the second process. So see you guys, patient akan rehat sekarang. Bye.